Hi everyone, my name is Adriana, and I wanted to share my experience during my trip to Costa Rica. I was invited by a friend that was attending Michelle's yoga class. When she told me about it, right away I said yes, because it was on my bucket list. I started attending Michelle's yoga class and got to know her better, so we signed up. The trip for me was a learning experience. I learned to appreciate nature. I learned to listen to the rainforest winds, the critters of the night, the toucans singing by my window, the smell of fresh rain, and most important, I learned to listen to myself. Michelle had a busy schedule planned for us, but also allowed time to explore on your own. We zip-lined for miles, hiked through the forest, we did river rafting, parasailing, yoga twice a day, donated school items in a small town with a population of 44. We shopped, danced, and ate. My favorite activity was a yoga class that we did by a huge waterfall. It began to rain during the class. After, we jumped in the river for a playful swim. I mean, this is something you see in a cover of a travel magazine. The setting was perfect. I couldn't believe I was part of that moment. I felt safe walking the streets of Costa Rica. Everyone knows Michelle. Hi here, hello there. It was amazing. The people are humble, friendly, and generous. I hope you go with an open mind, heart, and appreciate what that country has to offer. Pura vida.